Welcome to Seen on Your Screen, your weekly update on arts and ideas programming.
I'm Bobby Asher, Director of Programming.
I'm Melissa Huber, producer.
We have a lot of terrific events coming up for you this week, including the Activist Songbook Virtual Choir number 4. We also have the third episode of More or Less I Am from Compagnia de Colombari, and some terrific, very timely ideas events that are dealing with the issues that are facing our world and country right now. Race, Culture, and Identity in the American Democracy with John Denkowski and Kalila Brown-Dean. We have a Constitution Cafe about the importance of the census, a voters' rights workshop, and to celebrate Juneteenth, a conversation about slavery and the American story featuring the incredible Nicole Hannah-Jones from the 1619 Project, who just won a Pulitzer, along with Al Letson, the founder of the Narrative Project, Mercy Quay, and includes a special performance by the New Haven musician Paul Bryant Hudson.
Juneteenth is the oldest nationally celebrated commemoration of the ending of slavery in the United States. The celebration continues with New Haven-based artists leading a live broadcast on Friday, followed by the Ideas event, and a Saturday with a full schedule of events. All of the info is available on our website. Box City continues in Minecraft and at home. Join us for a New Haven ribbon cutting on June 20th. Pick up takeout from your favorite local restaurant and come home to join us for dinner stories, recipes for love, food, and disaster on June 20th. And on June 21st, join us for a virtual concert hosted by Dixwell Neighborhood Celebration.
As always, you can find information about these events and more on our website, artidea.org, and we'll see you on your screen this week.